I've made a rotomolding machine out of Lego and an Edison, which is a Lego compatible robot thing. And I'm making Easter eggs in a two-part plastic mold held together with magnets. And the program that I've uploaded from the computer onto the Edison allows me to control the speed of rotation. Let me do that now. Here we go, we've got 10 speeds that we can control. Sticks a little bit there. Off it goes, come on. It was running happily before. As always, these things stop when you come to demonstrate. And off it goes. So it's a 2-axis gyroscopic kind of thing. Oh, it's snagging at the bottom now. There we go. So off it goes, and I generally start slowly to make sure that the entire inside of the mould gets coated, and then speed it up after a while once it starts to cool down. There we go. So this gear here, this right angle gear, is fixed so that as the main axis is rotated, these little pinions here drive the second axis, the vertical axis, and away it goes. The great thing about using the Edison is that you can control the speed without having to change gear. It all happens in software. You could do it with a standard gear motor, but you'd have a fixed speed, or you'd have to start changing gears, which would be a faff. And here's the final result. If I can focus on it. There we go. Finished result. How delightful. One part, hollow. Just marvellous. So what have I learnt from this project? I've learnt that building this in Lego was easy. Programming the Edison to do what I wanted it to do was easy. Dealing with chocolate, hard. I've learnt a lot about chocolate, but clearly not enough because I'm still getting it wrong. But one of the key things I've learnt is that you mustn't introduce even the tiniest drop of water into your chocolate. From bitter experience, because it just turns into a grainy mess. So I've still a lot to learn about chocolate and a little bit to learn about Lego and Edison, but apart from that, it's been a huge amount of fun. That's rotomolding with Lego and Edison, and quite a lot of chocolate.